Hello students, this is exercise number 2 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine August 2021 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, 80 crore people were provided an additional 5 kilogram free food grains per month for 8 months. The government was also mindful of the plight of migrant laborers, workers, and those who were away from their homes. Besides providing them with the facility of one nation, one ration card, the government made free food grains available and organized Shramik special trains for them. My government also launched the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan in 6 states in order to provide employment to the returning migrant laborers in their villages during the pandemic. As a result of this Abhiyan, 50 crore man days of employment were generated. The government also launched Sabnidhi, a special scheme for street vendors and hawkers. Further, an amount of approximately rupees 31,000 crore was directly transferred to the Jan Dhan accounts of poor women. During this period, more than 14 crore gas cylinders were given free of cost throughout the country to poor women beneficiaries under the Ujjwala scheme. Through all its decisions, my government has set an unprecedented example of the collective strength of federal structure. The collaboration between the central and the state governments has not only strengthened democracy but also enhanced the prestige of the Constitution. The dream of an empowered and free India, which our freedom fighters had envisioned, was also based on the idea of self reliance of the country. Under the circumstances that emerged during the coronavirus pandemic, when each country was prioritizing their own requirements, we were reminded of the significance of developing a self reliant India. During this period, India has demonstrated its scientific capabilities, technical expertise, and strengthen of its startup ecosystem by developing a network of over 2200 laboratories in a short time span, manufacturing thousands of ventilators, PPE kits and test kits, thereby attaining self-reliance. It is a matter of immense pride that India is conducting the world's largest vaccination program. Both the vaccines rolled out under this program are produced indigenously. By making lakhs of corona vaccine doses available to several countries, India has fulfilled its obligation towards humanity in these times of difficulty. The accolades being showered on India globally for this work, along with the essence of our age old cultural tradition of and endeavor to work for human welfare, is imparting strength to our efforts. The gains from the work done by my government in the healthcare sector in the past 6 years were visible during the coronavirus pandemic. During these years, emphasis has been placed not only on modernizing the healthcare systems but also on prevention of diseases, including programs such as Rashtriya Poshan Abhiyan,